Hi there, students. To commandeer. To commandeer something. Okay, this is to take control, to take possession of something officially, especially for military purposes. So the mansion had been commandeered by the army to use it as a hospital. Okay, to commandeer, to take possession of something, to take control of something, especially for military purposes. And when when they finished using it, they're supposed to give it back as well. Let's see. You know these films where the policeman is chasing the criminal and the criminal suddenly jumps into a car and drives off, and the policeman stops somebody driving by and commandeers their car. Says, give me your car, I need to follow that. It's his official business. And the policeman takes the car, he commandeers the car. I think when you commandeer something, you're supposed to officially give someone a receipt, and I'm sure there are all sorts of things that you are supposed to do. And that's the idea of commandeer. To requisition, to seize, effectively to seize possession of something. Yeah, to take possession or control of something by force for military use. It's sort of like a legal hijack. Is to confiscate by force because the state says we need this. This is an emergency. The state needs this. The military need this, and they commandeer the things they need. Okay, so it's to take. Now notice, to commandeer, this is supposed to be a legal process of doing it, but by extension, you can use this word commandeer, meaning to take something arbitrarily by force. So the criminal commandeered a car. Give me your car. Get out. Yeah. And the policeman, he commandeers it legally. And then you can also use it to take something for some purpose, but not necessarily by force. So my friend commandeered my living room for the meeting. Yeah, he said, "Come on, mate, give me your living room." Yeah, to force somebody into accepting it, to commandeer, to force them to do it. So to take possession of something that's private property. The journalists seem to have commandeered all the tables, all the tables in this restaurant. The fans had commandeered all of the best streets. The mob commandeered the supplies. Yeah, so it's to take something not necessarily by force, but by browbeating somebody. Yeah, by trying to compel them to do it. Yeah, so the armed forces commandeer a vehicle or a building. They officially take charge so that they can use it. Yeah, you could commandeer something that's owned by someone else. You take charge of it so that you can use it. A hijacker commandeers a plane and says, "Okay, we're going here." That's to commandeer by force, to take something forcibly, but it doesn't have to be forcibly. Yeah, you could do it. You could do it by use of your character. So the teacher commandeered my computer so that he could finish giving the class. Yeah, it's like to seize something, to take it because you're in trouble. They Yeah, my friends commandeered my garden because they wanted to hold a large party and they didn't have one. So they were terribly nice to me and said, "Come on, let's have it. Let's have it." And I couldn't really say no. That's the idea of commandeer. Okay, commandeer, formality. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. As to origin, maybe it comes from Afrikaans, commandeer, to command, but probably ultimately from Dutch, commanderen, to command, yeah, to order. I guess this is linked from French, commander, to ask for, to order, to request, from Latin, commendare, to commit, to commend, to recommend. So, enough. Yeah, commando. Con with and mando, to commit, to entrust. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Commandeer.